Have you ever heard a bump in the night, a creak in the floorboards, or a tap on the wall and immediately wondered what unseen presence might be lurking within your home? It is a common experience to be startled by sounds that seem to defy explanation, especially when they come from inside your living space. Yes, common outdoor noises very often mimic strange house sounds, leading many to believe there is something unusual happening indoors. Our brains are incredibly good at making sense of patterns, but sometimes they can misinterpret the source or nature of a sound, especially in the quiet of night or when we are feeling a bit on edge. Before jumping to supernatural conclusions, it is helpful to consider the more common, logical explanations. The primary reason for this auditory illusion lies in how sound travels and how our ears and brains interpret it. Sounds from outside can reflect it off surfaces, travel through open windows, or even transmit through the building's structure itself, making their origin seem distorted. Wind can cause branches to brush against walls, gutters to rattle, or even generate pressure differences that lead to subtle creaks in the house frame. Animals like raccoons, squirrels, or birds on the roof or in nearby trees can create scratching, scuttling, or pecking sounds that resonate through ceilings and walls, often sounding much closer than they are. Even distant traffic, trains, or construction can create vibrations or low rumbles that feel like they are coming from within the house. To determine if a strange sound is truly originating indoors or is just an outdoor mimic, there are a few practical steps you can take. First, try to pinpoint the exact location. Move closer to where you think the sound is coming from and listen intently. Is it louder near a window or a specific wall? Second, consider the weather conditions. Is it windy outside? Has it been raining, causing gutters to fill or tree branches to sway? Third, think about the time of day. Are nocturnal animals more active? Is there a regular train schedule or early morning deliveries in your area? You can also check for potential points of entry, such as open windows or cracks in the exterior that might allow sound to penetrate more easily. One interesting phenomenon to consider is sound masking or auditory camouflage, where one sound hides or alters our perception of another. For example, the consistent hum of your refrigerator might mask the subtle squeak of pipes, or the distant rumble of thunder could make the creaking of your house settling seem more ominous. Also, sometimes what sounds like a distinct knock or tap could simply be a house settling, or the expansion and contraction of materials due to temperature changes, a process known as thermal expansion and contraction, which can create surprising noises. By systematically investigating and ruling out common external factors, you empower yourself to differentiate between genuine anomalies and everyday environmental acoustics. Understanding these common sound illusions can bring immense peace of mind, transforming unsettling encounters into simple observations of the world around you, allowing you to react calmly and confidently to any unexpected noise.